Today I'm making this delicious ofada stew. It is so good. First of all, I'm going to start by seasoning my wash meat with seasoning cubes, chopped onions, salt to taste. Then I will add thyme and curry. So I'll go ahead and give it a proper mix and cover it to cook. While my meat is cooking, so I'll go ahead and prep my bell pepper. So I'm going to be using the combination of this pepper. So I will go ahead and clean them up. I have bell pepper, the red and the blue one. I have a chili pepper, onions, scotch bonnet. So right now my meat is ready. I will stir it one more time and then go ahead and remove it from the meat stock before I fry it later. Now in my heated pot, I will add some palm oil. So I will cover it for about 10 minutes to bleach. So I will give it another 5 minutes before I open it because of the smoke. Now I will go ahead and rough blend my bell peppers. After blending, I will add it into my sieve for the excess water to remove. So I'm done blending the pepper. So I will use my spatula to press it down so that the excess water will remove from it. So this is it, guys. You can see a lot of water, and I did not blend it with water. Right now my oil is well bleached. Now I will go ahead and add my meat and I will fry it for some minutes. So this is it. My meat is well fried. So for the meat, I have more beef, some assorted meat shaki and abodi. Now that it's well fried, I will remove it from the oil. So I will fry my onions for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I will add my locust beans and fry it for extra 1 minute before I go in with my peppers. Now I will add my blended peppers and give it a stir. So I will add my seasoning cube, salt to taste. I will add ginger powder, onions powder, and curry. So I will give it a proper mix and cover it to cook. It looks as if there is no oil in it, but later the oil will come out. So I will cover it to cook. This is it, guys. My stew have been cooking for a while. Now I will go in with my blended crayfish and stir it together. So I will add my meat stock, my boiled eggs, and then give it a gently mix. So I added the eggs early so that it can absorb the sauce. Now I will cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later. I will go in with my fried meat and then set it together. So I will give it that gently mix so that my eggs will not break into pieces. Now I will still allow it to simmer together for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, my ofada sauce is ready. The aroma is amazing and it's so beautiful and delicious. So this is it. My ofada sauce is ready to be served with rice. It is so good and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow this page, like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Happiness Kitchen. Bye.